When your fridge is smarter than your Wi-Fi. Tackling dinner and your TV habits with humor. In a modern kitchen, a human talks to an AI-powered smart fridge. The kitchen is sleek with ambient lighting. Human, hey fridge, what do we have for dinner tonight? Fridge, you have expired milk, wilted lettuce, and a mystery container with its own Wi-Fi. Human, Wi-Fi, better signal than our router. Fridge, stronger, it downloaded your favorite show. Human, really, which show? Fridge, how to clean your fridge, you should watch it. Rimshot sound effect, followed by cheerful lounge music.